It is very easy to think that you have finally become attractive to women when you have actually started to earn money, you have gained some cars or some watch collection, when you have gained a certain societal status, when you have finally learned some pickup techniques. But you can only become attractive with women when you have fixed a belief in your subconscious mind that now you're finally attractive. Because a change in expression in your physical reality only follows a change in your belief system. Only after you have fixed a belief that I am attractive, that belief will get outpictured in your physical reality. Meaning, when you can finally close your eyes and you can see that you are now finally attractive, girls are coming up to you and they are complimenting you, they are expressing their desire to be with you, then this imaginal act will actually materialize in your physical reality. Because Neville Goddard said, your persistent imagination will create your personal reality. Why? Because when you persistently imagine that you are super attractive, that girls are constantly coming up to you, they're constantly wanting to be with you, you can visualize that they are constantly wanting to touch you, they constantly beg for your attention, then you are going to derive feelings from this imaginal act. You are going to feel elevated feelings of joy or accomplishment or thrill. And this feeling will help you to fix a belief that you are now finally attractive. And when you have fixed this belief that you are now attractive, that girls are constantly coming up to you and expressing their desire to be with you, then this imaginal act, then this belief will take form in your physical reality. Because physical reality is not solid at all. It is completely controlled by the content of your own mind. This is the reason why yogis call our physical reality as Maya. Maya means illusion or a magical lie. And I understood this during COVID lockdown. When I was 19, I was learning game, pickup techniques, dating tricks, and psychology tricks. And I thought all these game and pickup tricks helped me to get my first intimate relationship with a girl. But during COVID lockdown, as I started to suffer from anxiety and panic attacks, I had to turn inwards. I started to meditate. And meditation taught me one thing, that is, outer game techniques, pickup techniques, dating tricks, psychology tricks never really worked. It was all my vivid imagination and feelings that I had while reading a book called Sex God Method that actually created this intimate relationship in my physical reality. So your only real power is your own imagination. And through a persistent, disciplined imagination, you can fix a belief that you are now an attractive guy. And through this fixed belief, when this fixed belief is completely impressed in your subconscious mind, it will get outpictured into your physical reality. Then you do not have to raise a single finger. All the work is needed from you to fix a belief in your subconscious mind. After that, everything will be done by your subconscious mind. You will lose free will. Girls in your physical reality will lose free will. They will suddenly start to notice you, come towards you, compliment you, and express their desire to be with you. You will lose free will, and you will just be compelled to utter the right kinds of words. You will be compelled to approach a certain type of girl. You will be compelled to exhibit the most confident body language out of nowhere because you have persistently imagined that girls are coming up to you. They're expressing their desire to you. And you're just there with a big smirk on your face because now you have finally become this ideal version of yourself in your imagination. If you can provide all the sensory vividness to this imagination and you can mentally rehearse it, you're going to feel feelings from it. And feeling is the secret. Neville Goddard said this, feeling is the secret of attracting the life that you desire. Unless you can feel the elevated emotions out of your imaginal act, your imagination is impotent, it is weak. So tonight, as you go to bed, before sleep. Completely relax your body through deep breathing exercise or yoga nidra, which is also called non-sleep deep rest protocol. When you have achieved a certain sense of relaxation, your breathing rate will slow down. Your breathing rate slowing down means your brain waves slowing down. Your brain waves slowing down means you'll be able to think in pictures, you'll be able to visualize clearly, and all this visualization will go right into your subconscious mind. So start to imagine wonderful things happening to you, girls coming up to you and expressing their desire to you. In your imagination, become completely irresistible to women. Become completely satisfied by this imagination and simply sleep. Relax into unconsciousness. Do this simple meditation process every night for 30 days because you have to be able to train your attention faculty. A normal human being has a very monkey like attention nature. His attention will go to past traumatic event, or it will start to anticipate a worst case scenario where you are approaching a girl and she is rejecting you or slapping you in the face. A normal human being cannot visualize strongly. He cannot put the sensory vividness in his imaginal act. He cannot even visualize in first person. So start to train the faculty of your mind, your imagination, your attention. Even another thing, an average human being has practiced feeling bored or unworthy or some form of negative emotion for so long that it is difficult for him to feel these elevated emotions of joy, satisfaction, gratitude, thrill out of your imaginal act. So you need to do this exercise for at least 30 nights in a row so that you can train the capacity of your body to sustain these elevated feelings. Because feeling is the secret of attracting the life that you desire. Now, if you want one on one personalized coaching from me, where I will help you develop a solid imagination, attention, and feelings so that whatever you have imagined will actually get outpictured into your physical reality and your dating life becomes absolutely easy and you do not have to rely on any pickup gurus, dating tricks, keep creepy psychology hacks, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box and the pinned comment section down below as well. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.